the next important gadget I want to talk to you about is the picture gadget. Now we can scroll here, we're going to add gadget, and that kicks into life, and you can see here picture. So you can add a picture from your computer or from elsewhere on the web. So you think it might be nice to add in a picture of something that's relevant to your site, but I want to show something that's quite important. I'm going to shrink all of this and I'm going to create a button. So I'm going to click paint. I'm going to create a small sized, I want it quite narrow, about the same width as the gap that we've got on the side of the page. And let's change this to blue and then change this to white. And better change that to a smaller font. And okay, I'm not going to win any awards for button design, but I want you to be able to recognize the importance of being able to create an image like this and use it as a button. So I'm going to save that as a PNG. Save that right now. Click save. Get rid of that. And open this one up again. So I don't want to have the title. I don't want to have the caption just yet. I'm going to browse, shrink to fit to 300 pixels because that's the maximum width of that particular side element. Now where is this image? Buy now. Okay, because what we want to do is to have what looks like a button so people click it and then it goes through to another website. So we're just going to hit save at the moment and I can show you what that looks like. Now I want that to move that below the subscription and I'm going to move it there. And then save arrangement and then have a look what that looks like. So now I have a button over on this side of the page. I've got the email updates but I need to be able to click this and go somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is quickly find something that I want to link to, and I spelled Amazon wrong, but we'll go to Amazon. And I'm going to link to a book. I'm going to link to this book, which happens to be my book that I wrote. And I'm going to go up to the top and get the link, the URL for this sales page, right click and copy. So I've got that link saved to this particular web page. Good, I've only got 2 left in stock. That means they've sold a few. And I'm going to come back to this gadget for the picture over on the left hand side. I'm going to click edit. I'm going to keep that image there. Just delete that. And then I'm going to paste that link that we've just visited for that I'm Getting Out book on Amazon. I'm going to click save. I'm going to save arrangement. Then I'm going to view the blog. So people come along to this website, they see the title that we put in, they see some information, and then over on the right hand side I can now click. Can you see the difference between the cursor? It's an arrow and now it's a hand. I can click on this and in a new page my book appears and they can buy this. And I want to show you that that is important, because once you know how to upload pictures and create pictures, you can now create buttons for your site. And I think that's one of the most valuable tools that you can learn whilst using Blogger.